What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got the Corvette out here. Just wanted to give you guys a proper look at what the Corvette looks like with the bright ice finish from Wheelcraft on the rims. We're gonna go over here and look at the rear driver's side rim, but this is what it looks like outside in somewhat daylight. The sun is behind the clouds over there, so we're pretty shaded with all these trees I got above my house right here, but looks really good, guys. So I definitely wanted to give you guys a closer look at these. I know I didn't do the best job when we were at Wheelcraft looking or picking the Corvette up, excuse me, but giving you guys a proper look at it here. This is the bright ice finish, so this is what it looks like, and these things look great. Remember, we kept the center caps stock because I did not want to get rid of that commemorative edition lettering there. So that is the original color of the caps, so they look a little bit different, you can tell, but from a distance they don't look different at all, and I am very pleased with that. That's exactly what I was going for and hoping for. I did have the option to have those chromed as well, but again, I just did not want to get rid of that commemorative edition lettering. But I just cleaned up the face of the rim here with some window cleaner, in which Eric at Wheelcraft recommends. That's all that these that's all that their finishes need to clean them. So I definitely did that before throwing the camera on here, just to get you guys a nice close look at these rims. They turned out amazing. I am very happy with what I got. Shout out to those guys, absolutely know what they're doing. And again, thank you, Eric, for giving us a tour of your shop. If you guys want a tour of the shop via YouTube video, check out my channel, check out that video. There's two videos that I posted today, Sunday, right before Memorial Day, of Eric giving us a tour of his shop at Wheelcraft in Mentor on Tyler Boulevard, 7750 Tyler Boulevard, Mentor, Ohio. If you are looking to get your wheels refinished in a black or satin or bright ice finish, which is their chrome finish like this, give them a call. Very good. And yes, I know I'll be painting those rotors here in a little while. The car has been sitting, not outside, garaged, but it happens to C5 Corvettes. It's normal. It happens. I'll be painting those red, along with the rest of the calipers in there too as well, while I have the rims off. But again, very happy and pleased with this bright ice finish. Turned out amazing. So again, thank you to those guys at Wheelcraft. Thank you to Eric. Thank you for giving us that tour and talking us and walking us through the entire process of getting these ugly looking rims, original rims that we had on the car, to this nice bright ice chrome finish. And again, guys, we are now on their website, so this is the first time that this Corvette has been on anybody's website. So go check out the Corvette on their website. They got some pictures of it, and again, we still have to put on some different mods on the car as well, so I'll be sending them some more updated recent photos of the car so they can edit those and resubmit those photos onto their website of how the car looks once we get our window tint, our passenger side painted, our commemorative edition stripes, and our vet light mods. So thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.